Hello, my fellow green thumbs. Welcome back to another exciting gardening adventure. Winter's here, and you're probably thinking your gardening days are over until spring, right? The cold, the frost, the snow, it all seems like a gardener's worst nightmare. Wrong. Today I'm going to show you how to grow an herb that thrives in the cold and keeps you healthy. Yes, even in the dead of winter, you can still enjoy the joys of gardening. Yes, you heard me right. An herb that laughs in the face of winter. So drum roll, please. The herb we're talking about is none other than the mighty, the magnificent parsley. This resilient little plant is perfect for winter gardening. I know, you're probably thinking, really parsley? But trust me, this little green wonder is about to become your new best friend. First off, why parsley? What makes it so special? Well, apart from making your dishes look fancy, it's packed with vitamin C, K, and a host of antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, especially during the colder months. It's like having a tiny superhero in your garden. And the best part, it's ridiculously easy to grow, even when it's cold outside. You don't need a green thumb to succeed with parsley. It's ridiculously easy to grow, even when it's cold outside. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, parsley is a great choice for winter gardening. Now let's get down to business. I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to grow your own parsley indoors. Here's how you do it. First, you need to gather your supplies. Don't worry, you won't need much. Find yourself a nice pot, about 6 to 8 inches deep. This will give the roots plenty of room to grow. Fill it up with some good quality potting soil. Make sure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging. Next, grab some parsley seeds, or if you're feeling a bit lazy like I often do, get a small parsley plant from your local nursery. Both options work great. Plant those seeds or that little plant about 1/2 inch deep. Make sure to space the seeds or plants properly to give them room to grow. Water it lightly, and here's the trick. Keep it in a sunny spot, indoors. Parsley loves light, so make sure it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Parsley loves light, so make sure it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you have a sunny windowsill, that's the perfect spot. If you're in a particularly gloomy part of the world, a grow light will do the trick. These lights mimic natural sunlight and help your plants thrive. Now you might be wondering, how do I care for this green marvel during the cold months? Simple. Parsley is quite low maintenance. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. This usually means watering once a week, but it can vary depending on your indoor climate. Don't drown it though. Parsley is not a fan of wet feet. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be cautious. Give it a little mist now and then to keep the humidity up, and voila! This helps mimic the natural environment parsley loves. In a few weeks, you'll have fresh parsley to snip and sprinkle on everything. The more you harvest, the more it grows. Soups, salads, even smoothies if you're feeling adventurous. Parsley adds a fresh, vibrant flavor to any dish. And remember those vitamins and antioxidants I mentioned? They're not just good for you, they're great for you. They'll give your immune system a nice little boost, which is just what you need during the winter. Staying healthy has never been so easy and delicious. So there you have it. Growing parsley in winter is a piece of cake. And the health benefits? Absolutely fantastic. You'll wonder why you didn't start sooner, so go on, give it a try, and stay healthy, my friends. Cheers and happy gardening. Until next time, keep those green thumbs busy and enjoy the fruits, or rather herbs, of your labor.